Today in Linux app, we're gonna know about virtual machine. Hello, my name is Blair, your science teacher. We're gonna teach you on how to use virtual machine and know about different kinds of virtual machines available. But we're gonna focus only on two popular and common virtual machines available. That is Gnome boxes and Oracle VirtualBox. Let's start our Linux app virtual machines. We're gonna define what is virtual machine first. It is an emulator version of the physical computer that mimics the function and allocations of resources in our virtual environment. It is simply put another operating system running as a regular application like your web browser, Office suite, video editor, photo editing tools, or vector maker into your current operating system. You can do the same thing in a virtual machine compared to a bare metal machine or a real laptop computer. For example, you can connect to a network, downloading software, updating the operating system, and so on. Virtualization lets you utilize the physical system resources in a virtual environment. This enables a process to use the resources separately without tampering with the existing physical computer, and also uses the ability where you can get virtual resources in a form of virtual disk, random access memory, and other configuration files that allows you to run an OS or operating system on top of it. Now let's install the VirtualBox via the official Application Center or App Center or App Store. Go to your official store. For example, I have the big store in my big Linux OS. Just click and then go to the search bar and type in virtual. Look for the VirtualBox. I already installed it. Let's open this. As you can see, I have the remove, run, and reinstall, but I already installed it. Let's install the boxes of Gnome. Let's scroll down and look for the Gnome boxes. There you have it. We have the Gnome boxes. Click and then install. Of course, don't forget to enter your super secret password. And then if it is already 100% and installed, just look for your VirtualBox or virtual machines on your system. So as you can see, I have the Oracle VirtualBox and the Gnome boxes. Let's open the Oracle. So it is already populated. How about the Gnome boxes? Yes, I already also populated all of my VirtualBox. Some of the tasks that virtual machines help you achieve are software testing, trying out operating system for a test, enhancing your online privacy for temporary web browsing sessions, cybersecurity research without tampering physical computer, using a servers to host more virtual machines for making efficient use of hardware resources on the same hardware, all kinds of development activity with the great flexibility of migration, cloning, and replicating system in the cloud using virtual machines. So the virtual machines isolation capable that helps you use it for testing and development and to use as the core for servers, scalability, and flexibility. That's it for now for our Linux app virtual machines. I hope this Linux app did help you in your journey into your GNU Linux operating system. I'm Blair, your science teacher. Catch another episode of Linux app next time. Bye for now and see you next time. Ciao.